Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now I think this is my last subscription box for December and for the year. What a year it's been. So anyway, I absolutely love this. I'm so pleased it's here. It is my Look Incredible box. This is the standard box and I love it. It's £25 and you only get it every other month, so it actually works out really affordable. You can sometimes get some quite nice brands, some high-end brands as well. There is a deluxe box which is £35 and you get that every month, and I am so tempted to sign up to it, but I haven't done yet. So yeah, let's just get stuck into it. I obviously no spoilers, I've got no idea what's in it, but here it is. And this is gold. Normally the standard box is silver and the deluxe box is gold, although sometimes the deluxe box does come in silver, so who knows. But anyway, we've got a gold box and this is it. I've got a few wormies hanging out already, and let's get the card out. Can you see what's in it? I really hope it's good with being Christmas. There's something in some bubble wrap, so hopefully that's a good sign of things to come. I'm going to try and crack through this because my iPad storage has been running out really quick. So here's what we've got. Can you see? Is it good? Let's have a look and see. So first things first, and this is a brow fibre by Lardon. Now, we got a highlight palette by this last time. It was absolutely beautiful. So it'd be interesting to see. I don't usually use a lot of brow products, so maybe in 2019 I'm gonna have to start. The packaging is beautiful. Look at this, and it looks a shade that's good for me. It's the shade light. That's lucky. So this says, I'm going to move over here because I've been a bit lopsided from a split screen recently. So Lardon brow fibre. So this is valued at £10. It says a bottle containing everything that modern eyebrows could wish for. This creamy, innovative, all-in-one brow product does three things. It grooms, defines, fills and corrects the brows. The fibres also thicken and volumize to perfect in every way. Sorry. A quick I can't talk. I don't know what's going wrong with me this last week. A quick sweep of the brush and in a few seconds the colour sets and wears for hours on end. So yes, this is £10. This is in the shade light. Ooh, I just thought, I expected it to be a like a little spoolie like on the Benefit, but it's not. Or is it just so clunky? Let me have a look. There's so much product. Actually it is, but look, there's loads of product on there. I know you're not meant to do this bit, but look, that's the colour. I think you might need to use a different applicator method because it feels like there is loads and loads of product on that. But to be fair, it's not a bad colour for me, being blonde. It's actually a really nice shade. So I think I might need a few goes at trying that, and maybe it's just because it's so new that it is so dark. But yeah, that's the first thing. I've lost the box for it. Next thing I've got is this, and it is a Perfect Pout volume and shape, and it is Cougar Beauty, value at $14.99. So Perfect Pout is not just any old lip gloss. With an active ingredient of Volulip, this lip gloss with plumping effect mimics hyaluronic acid injections by doubling its synthesis level, but also strongly stimulates the synthesis of matrix and epidermal junction molecules. Wow, biology class right here. I'm confused. This making an improvement of the internal and superficial lip texture with a visible impact of the lip shape, increases the volume of the lips, decreases anti-aging and anti-sagging effect on the lips, and improves hydration and softness of the lips. So basically it makes your lips look nicer. That is the edited version. Nice packaging. Cougar Beauty, I've used a few of their facial oils and things, they've been really nice. So it's one of these little tubey ones. I thought it was going to be like with a doe foot applicator, and this is the end. Let's see. Oh, it smells like I don't know if it's minty, but initially it smelled like public swimming baths. So yeah, let's see if my lips become more luscious as the video goes on. But yeah, another great product really. So that's 2 makeup items so far. Right, next thing we have got is, what is this? So it is a Lardon Berry stylographic eyeliner in intense black. So that's nice. So Lardon Berry Shadow Eyeliner, and it is RRPs at £18. So Shadow is a form of calligraphy or artistic writing of the Japanese language. Lardon Berry Shadow Eyeliner pen features a Japanese calligraphy inspired that draws precise, thick and superfine lines. Shadow tapered precision brush design makes it easy to paint on, pure deep colour that will not budge, combined with a formula that dries super quick for a smudge proof application. It's interesting. So this is the nib, which looks beautiful, and let's just do a little line. Oh wow. So yes, you can go thick, you can go fine, and that is really, really lovely colour. We'll see how that dries. If I remember, I'll try and smudge it at the end. But nice looking product. Loads of makeup, yes. Often we get so much skincare, and I love skincare, but it's just nice to get makeup. Next thing is, oh, Lardon Berry again, Scuba Pro Waterproof Mascara. So this RRP is for £16. So Scuba Pro Mascara defines and coats lashes from root to tip for a full impact waterproof volumizing effect. Its texture complex features highly saturated ingredients for colour release to create maximum eyelash volume effect. Scuba Pro delivers creamy application that quickly and easily builds bold lashes that won't clump. I did mean to say to you as well earlier on, all the products that you get in Look Incredible are full size, which is like a super bonus. So let's look at the wand. Oh, that's quite a nice looking wand. Is that a bit on the end? So it feels a nice formula. It's like a spiral bristle brush, synthetic, and I'm not sure what those little bits are on the end. How random. Is that mascara or is it just the brush? I think it might be the brush. But anyway, it looks a nice brush. It feels quite nice actually. I'm always on the lookout for a new mascara. I like my Benefit ones, but I'm happy to try other brands. And then finally, we have got in here, ooh, Laura Geller. Now Laura Geller products have really been doing the rounds in boxes, it seems. So they must be having a bit of a marketing campaign. Oh, this feels so nice. This is it here. And this is a Laura Geller Creme Glaze Baked Eyeshadow Trio. I thought it was going to be contour. I saw a little picture. Oh, I'm so happy it's eyeshadow. Oh, look at that. They're all shimmers. I love shimmers. And they are beautiful. They look gorgeous. Let's do some swatches. So let's do... Oh, they feel beautiful. So let's go. We've got 1. Oh, they're so smooth. 2, 3. Wow, let's do that middle one again. It's really pale. They are really, really lovely. That's on the fingers. And look, no fallout. And a nice mirror as well. So this says, oh, I'm so happy to have this. So this RRP's, gosh, it's only £12.99. That's so good. So what is it? Cougar Beauty introduces its most impactful eyeshadow ever. Creme Glaze Trio Baked Eyeshadow Palette features a new innovation in baked technology. A hybrid powder with a cream texture that glides on to create a striking foil-like effect. Like a weightless, decadent dessert that's been caramelized to a delicate sheen, these 3 baked shadows are glazed to an even shimmer finish for... to any... Oh, ruin that. These 3 baked eyeshadows are glazed to an even shimmer finish for creamy, intense colour. So that's really nice. If I like these, I'm going to look on the website and see about getting some more little trios, because I think £12.99 is great value for Laura Geller. So yeah, so rounding up, we've got the Laura Geller trio, we've got the Lardon Berry mascara, the Lardon Berry eyeliner, we've got this perfect pout from Cougar Beauty, lip gloss plumping effect doodah, and then this by Ardeur brow product. So I think that's amazing. All makeup items, which is what we want for Christmas. The value of this is £71.98 and it cost me £25 including postage. Lips feel fine. I know I look a mess, I've just been from work, but I'm so happy. I am super, super happy. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. Have a lovely Christmas, everybody. I'm sure I'll be up and do one more video or something before Christmas, but if I don't, have a fab Christmas. Thank you for all your support from 2018. I look forward to us being all together in 2019 and see where that takes us this time in a year. So have a lovely Christmas. Much love, much peace and happiness. Thanks guys, bye.